If your 2021-2022 Kia K5 has a dead battery, you can still unlock it. The K5 uses a smart key system, but it also includes a physical key for emergencies. Locate the hidden physical key slot on the driver's door handle or trunk release. Extract the physical key from your key fob by pressing the release button. Insert the key into the door lock cylinder and turn to unlock the door. This bypasses the electronic system and allows you to access the vehicle even with a dead battery. Remember to check your key fob battery as a common cause of entry failure. To jumpstart your Kia K5, first ensure both vehicles are turned off and keys are removed for safety. Connect the positive jumper cable to the positive terminal on the K5's battery, located under the hood. Then connect the other positive end to the good battery's positive terminal. Connect the negative cable to the good battery's negative terminal. Attach the other end to a grounded metal part on the K5, like the engine block, away from the battery to avoid sparks. Start the good vehicle and let it run for 2-3 minutes. Then attempt to start the K5. If successful, drive for 20 to 30 minutes to fully recharge the battery. Alternatively, use a trickle charger or battery maintainer connected to the battery terminals for 12 to 24 hours. The 2021-2022 K5 models use a 12-volt AGM battery, so avoid fast charging to prevent damage. Consider using a portable jump starter as a safer alternative to traditional jumper cables. Follow the specific instructions provided with your device.